So making terrain can be really simple and really easy. I can show you how to make something like this from something like, let's get into it. Easy Now Craft Family, your boy Gillmaster G. So you already know what it is. It's as simple as finding yourself something to stick something onto that's not going to flex or flop or break, something to sculpt to make into the shapes that you want, and then a medium to make it more convincing. After that, it's just a matter of painting it. So you can get some really effective results from literally just chopping up some foam, sprinkling on some soil or some sand, spraying it with a primer and then a base colour, and then either dry brushing or highlighting with a lighter colour, and you get some really effective results. I've got some B-roll to show you some examples of this. Let me know what you think, because I think it looks awesome. Anyway, thank you very much for all the support and that. Let's check it out.